Hey, look, I guess it's by the grace of God. I done came up on some dollars, stun like daddy on my mama. Hallelujah.
Guys, it is somehow 60 degrees out right now. So you know damn well we're getting this Talaria charged up. We haven't ridden the Talaria XX in a little bit because of all the other bikes, but today I want to ride the XX. It is the most built bike that I own, and talk a little bit about our Floxa front and rear suspension, talk about if it's worthwhile, and also ride with my buddy Rosati. This freaking cat likes to chew off all the ends on these bars. So this is what it has come to, just socks on the bars. The bikes are pretty ridiculous right now, but all of these should be out of here in the next day or so. We're gonna move them to my parents' house and ideally sell some of them as well. Well guys, recently it feels like I've only been riding all new bikes, which is super awesome. I'm super lucky to do that, but I haven't been able to ride my little baby, the XX, at all recently. So I'm excited just to get out back on the XX, especially because it's like very much a dialed bike, dialed exactly for what I want with my wheelies and everything. So we're gonna ride it today. I do want to talk about the front forks, rear shock suspension, just kind of some updates on how I've felt about them, how they've stood the test of time. We're meeting up with Rosati, One Way Owen, a few of the fellas. It's a beautiful day, so this thing feels so powerful compared to all the other bikes I've been riding. That's so weird, dude. This bike feels so powerful and so light and quick as shit. Gotta be careful with this throttle. My God, this city is alive, people. Oh, I do remember how to wheelie. Ruh-roh, I see the moto cops. They've been training all the new moto cops. It's like the anti-dirt bike task force. Lucky for us, they can't ride that great. Holy crap, these brakes are so good too. Oh my God, I forgot how good this bike was. Oh yeah, the suspension feels so good. You're just gonna get a really stout suspension out of this. It's like proper MX style suspension. So I like it. It's actually super stiff, which is great if you're doing more off-road and wheelies. The biggest thing with the stock suspension, oh, we got some pedal bikes. Biggest thing with the stock suspension is that it would just bottom out. So I'd blow out the fork seals. So anytime you'd put down the front wheel or go off even a curb or anything, it would completely just bottom out. So it was good for the first couple months I owned it, but then eventually with all the wheelies, it just stopped working at all. So yeah, I highly recommend these. Your only really alternative is either A, getting EXTs, which are like 2K. I don't think that's worth it, especially on this bike. Or getting like Fast Ace, which honestly, like, to get an upgraded Fast Ace from like Lunicycle for this bike also might be a good option. There's a high likelihood that those shocks would also just get blown out just as fast as the stock ones. That would be my only thing. Because I blew out the stock front forks pretty quick, and I wouldn't be surprised if even the upgraded Fast Ace ones will get blown out. So these 228, they're longer, they're stouter, a lot stiffer. So I like them. Highly would recommend them. You're just looking at, with the front suspension and rear shock, you're looking at like $1,200 bucks, $1,259 I think. So it ain't cheap, but it's well worth it. Cheaper than other suspension options, again, like EXT and whatnot. So mountain biker liked the wheelies. All right. This is where the boys should be on their bikes. I think we're just gonna get a quick ride in, honestly, nothing special.
Yo, what the fuck is this?
What are you? It's my Talaria, bro.
Yo,
what's up, boss?
Why are you filming?
Huh? Because I'm trying to, you know, get you canceled online.
I'll say the word.
What's that called again? A shitbox? When's the review coming out? You're not reviewing it? Anyways, Rosati's been jet setting around the world doing his little pedal bike stuff. I said little. 700K now, right? He's got 700K now. He's killing it. I'm trying to get a seventh of that. We got the E-Box wheelies. I've ridden these bikes, guys, and I am not a fan. The tunes are just horrendous. If you put an Electro and Co kit in it, it's a lot better, but still, even then. What's up, boss man? It's good, dude.
You signed my fucking, like, heart, bro?
Yeah, dude. Come here. Guys, we got a number of people over here chilling, but they're all charging, and I'm trying to ride. Look how sick this looks, though. But we'll do a couple circles. My patience is running low. My patience is always low when it comes to group rides, because I just like to ride, you know what I'm saying? This thing is just so much more powerful than all the other bikes I've been riding. Can we still death spin? Say what?
How to do that?
The circles? Ultra Bees are way heavier than yours, and they're easy to circle. Dude, it's just all about putting your ass cheek on the side and just sliding, and then you let the inertia take you, bro. I'm out. I'm riding. Yeah. Yeah, I'm riding. Peace, 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 peace. All right, we're out of here. They take way too long to get ready. Anyways, guys, the plan all along was just to go ride, so that's what I'm gonna do. I just waited there for like an hour. Guys, if you know me, I'm very impatient when it comes to rides. Like, meaning when I show up, I want to ride. Don't get me wrong, I love socializing, catching up with everybody, but I don't want to hang out for an hour and a half. Like, when I come to ride, and I got other shit I gotta do. So I want to ride. So that's what we're gonna do right now, just on my lonesome. This XXX is so dialed. I think the suspension truly was like the last piece to really dial it all in. So, but yeah, it's a pretty nice bike now. Is that a Razor? Yeah, it is. Is that a Razor? Hell yeah, nice. You got it upgraded?
Yeah, this is the upgrade. Like 2 days ago, finally getting test drive on.
Nice, good shit. That's sick.
Yeah, definitely need to upgrade the brakes.
Yeah, I got a couple Razors at home, and definitely want to upgrade the brakes. Yeah, those are the cable brakes too. I see. Yeah.
What's that you run? Start?
This XXX Talaria. Yep. Yes, sir. All right, bro. Well, have fun. Upgrade them brakes. Razor in the wild? That's the first time I've ever seen a Razor organically in the wild in Philly. Crazy. Dude, I'm seeing so many more Surons outside now. That's crazy. Guys, we still don't have the foot brake back, but hopefully soon, because I really like doing one-handers and having rear brake coverage and no hands. Come on now. So I got a new line for it. That should be on soon. I'm low-key surprising myself. I thought I was going to be a little more rusty in this, but I am just so comfy on the XXX. It's just that I've been riding a bunch of bikes that I'm not super familiar with. All right, we're ripping into Center City. Just get a little active out here. Again, we're just showing how damn great this bike is. Woo! All right, now we're on Market Street. Little Market Street bit. Little stand-up ski. Get more cozy. Hello, officer. Drop the hand. God, I love how powerful this bike is. Guys, if you want the battery in this bike, Shy 72 volt, Titan X, use code ConnorG at checkout. Phenomenal freaking battery, guys. It's just so much power, it's overwhelming. And I forgot how much power this had compared to the other bikes I've been riding, but god damn. And I'm in mode 1. I have 3 modes. This is only like 10 kilowatts. Mode 3 is ridiculous. Woo! Ripping. Forgot how damn quick this was. Guys, I was thinking of potentially getting rid of this bike. Looking at getting a larger bike. I think you guys can guess what the larger bike would be. Larger than a Suron Light B. Larger than this. Larger than an E-Ride Pro. Thinking about it. And to do that, I would sell this bike. But, I don't know. Riding it again is reminding me how damn freaking dialed it is. Oh, I just freaking love how much you can rip this thing. It's so crazy. There he is. He's not worried about me though. They have all the dirt bike cops out as it gets warmer. At least I don't think he is now. As it gets warmer, but I don't think they're messing with us. We'll go back over to the cafe, see if anyone's over there. A little kicker. Woo! Yeah, guys, I truly do think these forks are pretty damn good. So you know what? I can go hit the jump over here, test these out. I haven't really hit that jump with these. Oh my God, it's so much better on this. But you're good. You're good. No worries. So much better on this bike. Wow. Oh yeah. Gonna hit that step up again. Even. All the people with their kids here are probably just like, what the hell? Oh yeah. Okay, that's enough. Alrighty guys, well I think that's gonna do it for today's video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy to bring back the XXX content for y'all. Love this bike still. Really like these forks. If you're interested in them, you can get them from our Floke, so I'll leave it down in the description. But otherwise guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace.